So I don't normally make videos like this, but I thought this project deserved more than just an Instagram post. I'm just gonna dive right into it. I have been looking for a project car for a long time, and I finally came across the perfect one. It's a 1971 Datsun 240z. So I haven't actually really looked through it just because I've been so busy, and I wanted to make this video, but, oh, there you go. Oh, nice. Oh, that's just the seal. That's not rust. Oh no, it is rust. Okay, so I'm just gonna go through it and really just kind of show off. Show off is the right term, but show. So we don't know if the engine runs. When you buy a car from auction, they'll tell you whether it runs and drives. And this was not noted as running or driving. No battery, so unfortunately I can't try to turn it on right now, but it's definitely in bits and pieces, and I don't think turning it on would be the best idea. Like down here, the coolant lines have been, you know, broken from old age, and like the master cylinder is in pieces. but yeah, the body's in good shape, and that's really all that matters. I'm planning on redoing the whole thing. And having a good body is a great start. So in the trunk, there's a bunch of parts that came with it. Okay, so I've pretty much got everything out of the trunk area. See in here, there's just dirt, water, which is kind of concerning because I was hoping for a rot-free body, but I'm guessing there's probably some rot under here because this is, I don't know if you can hear, but it's like squishy, like it's like sludgy, like a sponge. That's the back area. There's a bunch of mildew in here. It smells awful, which sucks. Oh, someone likes to see it. You shouldn't be sitting on that, girl. I can't imagine what kind of things are growing there. Oh. Actually, we have a bunch of really good parts. There's some parts here that I thought I didn't have. I'm guessing this was, as you can see by the roof, it was somebody's project and they didn't get around to finishing it, obviously. Seat rails, CV axles. This is more like seal. It just caught my attention that there are CV axles in the trunk. I was wondering why. If you have them in the trunk, then you're replacing them for some reason. So I went to the trunk, obviously. Let me grab my flashlight. And I rolled under here, thinking, you know, oh, okay, well, I wonder what they have down here. Like, how broken is it? There's no differential. It's missing. So that's something I have to get. Maybe we get something aftermarket. As you guys can see, this car is in pretty rough condition, but the body's in good condition, which is what I cared about. Now, I'm gonna be working on this really hard in the next couple months, over the next couple months. I hope you guys stick along, and let me know your thoughts in the comments down there. Thanks.